Hey everybody, well welcome to our last week together. I'm so proud of all of you. You've finished this course and you've done a great job, and I have learned so much from you, and hopefully you've learned from each other, and I've seen the growth in all of you. So congratulations for getting through this class. We just have a couple more assignments that are due, and then we can put this one behind you and move on to your next one. You have a couple discussion posts due this week. So these are some tight time frames that you're going to need to know. Your first discussion post, Build a School in the Cloud, is going to be due on Wednesday, as well as your first discussion post for what did you find purposeful in this class. So give your honest feedback, talk about some of the things you did, and provide us with some feedback. But also, if you have ideas to enhance this class and some technology tools that you might want to see other people learning that you might know, I'd love to see those. So please share those with us. I learned from you, and we can make this class better for the next group coming through. But hopefully you got a lot out of it. The last thing is your first discussion posts are due on Wednesday by 12 o'clock, and your responses to your peers are due on Friday. So you can't turn in anything in this class later than Friday at midnight. So your flipped classroom assignment is also due on Friday at midnight. So please make sure to get those in. I'm really interested in seeing what you think about Build a School in the Cloud. I have shown that video to quite a few people because it's a thought-provoking video. Not to say that, hey, we want to get rid of teachers, because to me, that's not the point of it. It's the innate nature of the curiosity of our children, of our students that we serve. And if we get out of their way, what is the ideal state for learning? I showed it to one staff that I had when I was a principal. I showed it to a staff, and they got kind of angry. They were angry, and it was just fun. It was a great conversation. They got kind of angry, thinking that they really did not think that children could learn like that. And so we started having these great dialogues about what kids can and cannot do on their own, and what they need help with, what we need to scaffold, and what they need support on. But boy, it was a great conversation. So if you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you're watching Build a School in the Cloud. And if you want to share it with other people, share it with your principals. It's a thought-provoking conversation you could have about the potential of curiosity and what the possibility of what kids can do. It's pretty exciting. Well, it's been my pleasure being your professor in here and actually learning from you, and I wish you all the best. I should have all the papers graded, assuming everything, I'm assuming everything is going to get turned in, but it should be graded by Sunday night of next week, just to make sure I have everything in, and your grades will be posted, and so that you'll be able to move on to your next class, which starts next week. Believe it or not, it's just crazy how fast things are flying by. So this week is going to be tight to make sure you're getting all your assignments in. And it's been, again, my pleasure. So take care. And if there's anything you need from me, please reach out. I will try to get back with you within a few hours. And if you don't hear from me right away, call me. Pick up the phone and call me. So take care. And it's been my pleasure. All right. Bye-bye.